See, most of those, they belong to customers. See how rusty they are? Yeah. Or here, this is the same machine right here. Same machine as the one I just showed you. Look how rusty it is. Nobody would want that. I don't think that anyone's going to be here to repair those things. Because China, there's some made in China, some typewriters, and they probably will be like a throwaway item. This is the end of the business, I'll be honest with you. There are no more typewriters, right? No more. I'm almost the last one. You know, the last one in this business doing what I'm doing, especially the antique typewriters. Nobody knows how to work on them.
But while typewriter technology may be fading, Casimir continues working. He may have fewer customers than he did in the 1960s, but he still believes that collectors of the antique equipment will always be interested in the machines. And as other typewriters companies die out, he'll be one of the few left who know how to repair them.